Objectives for this class. Ding. The power of sensory language. Ding. What is sensory language? Creating an image to advance the storyline. I could hear bells ringing. It sent shivers down my spine. Ding. How does sensory language enhance narrative writing and why? Ding. By painting pictures, sounds, and sensations with words, the narrative will gain your reader's attention and foster greater understanding of your writing. Ding. Morning came and the people arrived. Ding. The cool morning sun cast long fingers of shadow and light across the green field as our visitors tramped across the rough and dewy grass. Ding. 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Ding. Sound. He cheered her singing. Ding. He shouted harsh approval at the sound of her pure, warbling Italian soprano. Ding. Sight. The rose bush caught our eyes as we passed the garden. Ding. The brilliant red petals of the rose bush reached out to us as we passed the garden. Ding. Feeling. He was happy when she smiled at him. Ding. His heart thumped as he grasped the meaning of her smile. Ding. Taste and smell. Our sense of smell and taste are closely linked and are often used in a metaphoric sense. She hated his words and didn't trust him. Ding. She could stomach his words no longer and smelled a bitter rat in his intent. Ding. Take a few minutes to review each picture. How do these images make you feel? Turn to a neighbor and use sensory language to describe these images in 3 to 5 sentences. Ding. 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 Here's what I added to my narrative. As Leo turned onto Houston Street, he was jostled on the left by a boy hawking newspapers, maybe the same paper at which Marvin worked laying type. He looked up to see crisscrossing garlands of laundry creating a net between himself and the sky. He stepped off the sidewalk to cross the road and was nearly hit by a horse and carriage. From every direction came shouts and cries from the pushcarts and shopkeepers. Blood rushed to his cheeks and he breathed deeply, while trying to calm himself before he broke out in tears. With that deep breath, Leo discovered another overwhelming sensation. This one, however, brought him comfort, not anxiety. He smelled something very familiar, a smoky, peppery scent with a hint of coriander. He smelled pastrami, and it reminded him of his mother's kitchen, warm, cheerful, and filled with love. Ding. Now go back to your narrative and find a scene to enhance with sensory language. Ding. The power of sensory language.